Okay, so this is one of our, I don't know how many videos we've posted so far, but all of you, all 91 of you, have wanted us to make more burp videos, and so pretty much we have Connor here.
The co-creator.
The co-creator of Gun Brothers 97, and all 97 of you, thank you very much, and our 3 subscribers. 3 subscribers. This one's one of them right here.
Yeah!
And, yeah!
Yeah, 3!
3 subscribers, yeah, that's impressive. We're not Smosh or FPS Russia or anything, but we're gonna make another video with burps, because 2 people commented saying we should make more.
Not 2!
2 people.
Not 2 people.
So we're gonna have him burp.
Maybe you will be satisfied now.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Is that what happened when you wanted to talk to Allison? Okay, let me do this now. My turn.
More.
Okay. I like you a lot. I just don't know how to express my feelings. I want.
Bet.
Nice one. Okay, now videotape me doing it. Just don't flip the camera.
Why not?
In the water. Ew.
No, don't drink out of that one. Drink out of that one.
Ew.
I brought you one.
Get out of my way.
Okay.
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 Let's do this.
Oh! Not a touchdown, but pretty nice.
That wasn't as good as Dylan's, but.
Okay. You're a fucking whale. You're just jealous because you can't go rapid fire like I can.
No, I can't go. I'm not like coughing up a hairball. You're like a cat. Hairball.
That is so weird.
Okay, I'm serious now. I took off my hat.
My brother's hat.
My little brother's hat.
I took off my hat. Get off my nose. Okay, let's do this. Oh, that sucked. Okay. I'm sounding like Dylan. I'm like, no, okay. A preview from the last episode. Oh. Here I go.
Don't cough off your breakfast. Oh, Cam Newton, buddy!
Oh, Cam Newton.
I'm coughing on my lunch.
God, I swear to God, I'm gonna puke all over here. Okay.
I know, I swear to God, we're gonna puke, so let's stop this video.
No, I want to get one burp in, please.
Okay.
So, comment, rate, and subscribe!
Yeah, like we don't have more than 91 viewers. Okay, let's do this for real. I'm trying to suck in air.
You look like Sam Phipps now.
I do?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's do this. Oh wait, is it even recording?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
You have 5 minutes and 11 seconds.
Yeah? No?
Oh yeah? I don't know. Yeah? Coming.
Screwdriver jacker.
Bust it.
There's a yellow screwdriver that I think in your dresser on the kitchen.
Let's stake out. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na.
You have no idea where my screwdriver is? How does my screwdriver?
I don't know, maybe don't.
I dropped the controller, sorry.
Why have you got to?
Okay, we all tripped over the PlayStation.
Okay, so
Oh, okay. That
I
wasn't
think
really.
we got the burp in like eventually.
Yeah, I
but
got it in at the end. I'm like, yeah, that wasn't really a burping video, but
like, comment, and subscribe to this video.
Yeah.
Favorite it, and we would like to get more than 100 views on this
more
one
than 100
in 2 weeks.
in 2 weeks. Maybe we'll be on Ray William Johnson or Tosh.0.
Yeah, tell your friends.
Yeah, tell your friends if you have any.
Okay, peace.
That you
Hopefully. And a big thanks to Nico.
Yeah.
Our
He
first subscriber.
he actually camera helped for like the first half of the video, and 7 minutes is pretty long. We're sorry. It was a little couple burps, but time flies when you're making a video. So thank you to Nico, and that's me, and that's him.
That's him.
We'll see you later, YouTube. We'll post a couple more videos tonight if we have some time.